The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Use a screwdriver to pry off the dampening arm clip. Remove the glove box back panel. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1119C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. The filter housing door has tabs on the inside that will help raise the filter up inside the housing. Reinstall the back panel. Reinstall the dampener arm. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Close the glove box.